Hello, Northampton. You may think you're in some exotic island, but you're not. You're in beautiful Northampton Township at the Springmill Country Club. We're at the mini putt golf portion of Allison's beautiful Springmill Country Club. There's still time to get tickets to the September 21st Deon for Supervisor Clam Bake being held here at Springmill Country Club. Now we're at the driving range portion of Springmill Country Club. We just came from the beautiful miniature golf. We're here for the kids. We're here to have a good time. We also have Vincent Sullivan, the golf pro at Springmill Country Club, who is going to be here at the Clam Bake to check out people's swings and see what they're doing wrong. It's going to be, again, September 21st. We'd love to see you come up and hit a few balls. Now we're on the pitch and putt portion of the golf course in Springmill. This is where it's going to happen. This is where the pitch and putt tournament's going to be. It's going to be a family-based event, and everybody's very excited. We have a hole-in-one contest for a weekend in beautiful Cape May. After you play some miniature golf, drive a few balls, have Vince Sullivan, the golf pro, check out your swing. We're going to be getting a golf tournament out here. It's for the family, it's for the friends. It's important for Northampton just to relax and get out there and have a good time. I hope to see you on Tuesday night, September 24th.